Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're looking at that very popular Husqvarna 55 Rancher chainsaw. That's 53 cc's, 3.2 cubic inch. Dry weight on this is 11.4 pounds. That's just the power head. Saw is capable of running up to a 24-inch bar. This one features a new Husqvarna 20-inch 3/8 with some chisel bit skip tooth chain, 3/8 chain. And we'll take a close look at this one. It's got a working chain brake. It does have the rubber mounts for smooth operation, front and back. Electronic ignition inside. It's got inside and outside falling spikes, which you don't see very often on the littler saws, but it's very nice for cutting trees. One on each side. And it's just a it's a working chainsaw, good quality chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.